Establish an online presence for your wedding where guests can RSVP, find your registry, review the day's schedule, and learn about your love story. To get started, visit the template store and click Weddings in the menu. Click on any design to preview, then click Start with this design to create a new site using that design. All Squarespace sites on an annual billing plan receive a free domain for the first year. Using a memorable name such as your names or wedding hashtag can help guests remember your URL, making it easy to pull up your wedding site at any time to check directions or find your registry. Streamline the RSVP process with a customizable form block. Use engagement photos and snapshots of cherished memories as banner or background images. You can also display sets of images with gallery sections, perfect for showing the history of your relationship or memories from the wedding after the fact. A map block helps guests locate your venue, while text blocks make it easy to spot crucial information in a schedule. Finally, the menu block displays menus and lists ingredients, helping accommodate guests with food preferences, allergies, or dietary restrictions. Use the Zola block to display items from your Zola wedding registry in a design that blends in with the page. This is a great way for visitors to browse your wish list without leaving your wedding site. By using image blocks and click-through URLs, you can create featured images that link out to multiple registries, such as Amazon or Etsy. If you have a cash registry or honeymoon fund, you can receive contributions through your site with donation blocks. You can even keep your wedding site after the wedding is over to serve a new purpose. Share memories from the day with gallery sections, add a video of the ceremony, leave registries up to assist tardy gift givers, or document your honeymoon with a blog page. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.